One disease is bad enough, but it turns out that some diseases can interact and increase your likelihood of getting other diseases. Today, we're going to look at the relationship between health and diseases. A great way to improve your understanding and boost your grades is with my study along workbooks. These are specifically made to use alongside my videos and contain loads of tasks and exam questions. By downloading them, you support me in continuing to make these videos. Get yours now from emmatheteachie.com.
Health is a state of physical and mental well-being. It's important to remember that it is both physical and mental, not just one or the other. Diseases are major causes of ill health, and they can be split into two groups: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable means the disease is infectious and can be passed on from one person to another. Non-communicable means it cannot be transmitted. You'll learn about some non-communicable diseases in the next video, and you'll find out about communicable diseases in the infection and response topic. Other factors affecting physical and mental health include diet, stress, and difficult life situations. Diet could mean a lack of food or certain nutrients. This can cause diseases like anemia, scurvy, and starvation. Or it could mean too much food or too much of specific unhealthy foods. This can cause conditions like type 2 diabetes and obesity. We all experience stress, and some of this is okay, but high levels of it can affect mental health and even increase a risk of certain diseases like heart disease. Life situation includes things like income, where in the world you live, access to healthcare and clean water, etc. Many people have little or no control over their life situation, and it can have a big effect on mental and physical health. Different types of diseases may interact with each other. There are 4 examples that you need to know. Defects in the immune system mean that an individual is more likely to suffer from infectious diseases. These defects could be caused by genetics or by something like HIV. Viruses living inside body cells can be the trigger for certain cancers. For example, the human papillomavirus, or HPV, can trigger cervical cancer. Immune reactions initially caused by a pathogen can trigger allergies, such as skin rashes and even asthma. Severe physical ill health can lead to depression and other mental illnesses, particularly if they affect the person's ability to do everyday activities. For example, if somebody is bedridden. Now, you need to be able to use graphs, frequency tables, bar charts, histograms, and scatter diagrams to analyze information about diseases. These skills are all covered in my maths and biology video, and they can come up in other topics. I suggest you take some time to practice these skills, as it's quite likely they'll come up with this topic. Now let's test what you've understood. Just pause the video and try these quick questions, and when you're ready, press play and we'll go over the answers together. Ready? 1. What do we call diseases that cannot be transmitted from one person to another? These are non-communicable diseases. 2. Define the word health. Health is a state of physical and mental well-being. 3. A study concluded that drinking carbonated drinks increases the risk of heart disease. Suggest 2 reasons why this may not be a valid conclusion. Valid just means a correct conclusion. So first of all, they may not have controlled for other factors that increase the risk of heart disease. For example, high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, inactivity, high cholesterol, being overweight, family history of CHD, and some others. Secondly, it may also have been a small sample size, so it's not truly representative. You could also mention that it's not the carbonation of the drink that might be causing the link, it could be more to do with the content of the drink. Okay, how did you do on the questions?
learn about the lifestyle factors that can affect your risk of diseases in my next video. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to my channel. You'll find loads more GCSE science help. Thanks and bye!